Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally and completely dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any model like A series, F series, J series, M series. So if your phone is locked, especially Samsung series is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you had applied the hard reset mode and hard reset method, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you can see here you will get a such type of welcome pop-up, language option, start button, and emergency call option. Okay, so here after hard reset, when you will go through all the processes from start and go through all the process, let's check what happened at the end. Either your phone is getting on or stuck somewhere. Okay, so one more thing I'd like to tell you, here you will get an option to connect your Wi-Fi to the phone. So make sure your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so you can see here after hard reset and factory data reset, if you come to this method, then you will stuck here and it's again ask your pin pattern or password lock which you had applied. It means hard reset generally didn't work on your Samsung Android smartphone, and still you can see here you're getting here lock pattern, pin or password. Okay, so don't worry at all, you will get another option that will show here use my Google account. Instead you have to tap on this one, and when you will tap on this option, you will reach to a new page. Here you can see here page is showing Google verifying your account. It means you will have to feed your Gmail ID and password which you had used previously when your phone was not logged in your phone. So if you have remembered your Gmail ID and password, so you can easily feed here your Gmail ID and password and go through to the next option. But if you don't have remembered your Gmail ID and password, so you can see here you're not getting any skip option on this page. And if you want to go to the next option, you can see here it's not let you go to next page. So here in this method I will show you how you will get a skip option on this page. And this lock is generally known as FRP lock, which is generated by the Google to secure a smartphone when your phone is stolen. So for FRP bypass of your Samsung Android smartphone, you will have to watch this video very carefully from starting to end, because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important. So if you skip a single step in this method, then your phone is not going to FRP bypass. So make sure watch this video till the end very carefully and follow all the steps very carefully. Okay, so simply firstly you will have go to the starting page. Firstly you will have to change your language option from English India to English US, because you know the Samsung Android smartphone belongs to US, and generally all the premium smartphone of Samsung sell in US. Okay, so after that you will have to go to the start option and go to the agree to all, go to the agree and go to the more option and agree. Okay, when you will come on this page where the Wi-Fi network will be show, then after you will have to activate your phone's talkback option, and for this you will have to press the power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release at the same time to switch on your talkback mode. Now again you will have to repeat the same. Now after that, here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now you have to double tap on this while using the app. Now after that you will have to double tap on this use voice commands. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Okay, make sure when your setting option will be appear on your phone display, you have to switch off your talkback option, and to switch off your talkback option you have to repeat the process. Power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release. Now you can see here the talkback option has been switched off, and you can see here your phone is showing here lock option. Okay, so some viewers comment us that your phone is not locked, so you can see here you're getting here lock screen. Okay, lock animation at the top of the Samsung phone. So be sure that is this one is generally locked due to FRP lock. So here you have to make some changes here. Firstly you will have to reach to the option that will show here lock screen. You have to tap on this. When you will tap on this option, you can see here the first option will show here screen lock type. When you will tap on this option, so you can see it's not working. So don't worry here, you will get here a swipe option in lock screen type. So it's not working, so it will not work. To work for this option you will have to make some changes, some settings in this page. Firstly you will have to come on this face recognition option, and for that you will get a continue pop-up. You have to tap on this continue, and you will have to tap on this continue option 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now simply go to the back, and after that you have to come to the option that will show here about lock screen. You have to tap on this, and after that tap on this open source license option. When you will tap on this open source license option, you will get lots of text on your phone display, but here you can see you will get a URL. Simply you have to copy this URL. Okay, copy this one, go to the back, go to the back, and go to the back and exit from the setting page. And you can see here the lock option is showing, don't worry. Come to the starting page here. Okay, now after that you have to go to the start option again, agree to all and agree. Okay, now after that go to the agree option, and here you have to tap on this add network option and go to the setting, this one. Now when this setting option will appear on your phone display, firstly you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here reset to default setting. You have to tap on this one. Firstly you will have to tap on this erase personalized prediction and erase this one. Second option, reset keyboard setting, and reset this option. Okay, now go to the back option. Now come to the first option that will show here language and types. Tap on this one, and you have to come on this manage input language. You have to tap on this one, and you have to activate the English US and switch off this one. Go to the back option, back. Now after that you have to come to the option that will show here layout. Now after that you have to tap on this button and symbol layout. You have to select this alternative and apply this one and go to the OK. Okay, now after that one times you have to go to the back option, and again you have to tap on this add network option and go to the setting again. Now the last thing you have to change, that is text shortcut. You have to tap on this add option. Here you have to type, that is star hash 0 star hash, and here you will have to paste that URL you had copied that setting option and tap on this add. Go to the back option here and go to the back again and back. Now after that you have to reach to the starting page because all the settings has been done. Okay, now after that simply you have to start this and go to agree to all, agree. Now go to the more option and agree. Now after that you have to tap on this next option. Tap on this don't copy. So you can see here with the help of some changes in the setting options and the keyboard setting options, you can also get a skip option in this page. It means your FRP lock has been completely bypassed. Now you can easily tap on this skip button and escape this Gmail ID credential and go to the next option. So simply you don't have to tap on this next, simply you have to tap on this skip option and escape from this page. Go to the more, accept. If you wanted to use new pin pattern and password lock, so you can use from this page. So right now I will use a new pattern lock. You can see here I have drawn a new pattern lock for my Samsung Android smartphone. Now after that you will not stuck anywhere in this process. Now it's a simply setup of your smartphone, so you can easily set up your phone. So you can see here it will take some seconds to final setup of your Samsung and smartphone. You will have to wait. Go to the next, skip from this page, finish. Now go to the OK, tap on this agree, select your language in which you are comfortable to use your smartphone, select your gender because it's mandatory. You can also skip these options here, but I will suggest you select your gender and age criteria, and finally tap on this finish option. So you can see here the smartphone has been completely unlocked. So you can see that after hard reset and factory data reset, the phone was stuck in FRP lock. So with the help of some setting changes, you can also bypass the FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. So this is the very genuine method for you to unlock your Samsung Android smartphone of any series. Okay, So make us comment that in which model you're going to apply this FRP bypass lock method. And if you have stuck anywhere in your smartphone, then make us comment. Then we will definitely respond on your comment and help you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. So thank you so much, and if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you so much.